Okay, welcome to week 8 vocabulary. The first one on our list is a line. This G is silent. We do not pronounce it. Again, the word is a line. A line means putting things in a row. For example, when you stack papers, you're going to align them together. The next word is assertive. Assertive. The word assertive means that you are basically going to be strong and voice your opinion. So, for example, if you do not like what your son had on his test for school, you are going to be assertive and say, "Guess what, son? You're not going to that party this weekend. You have to study." That's being assertive. Clarify. The next word is clarify. The word clarify means to speak or explain what you mean. So, for example, if I get in an argument with my husband, I'm going to clarify or explain my point of view. The next word is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is someone who owns their own business. So I have my own tutoring business. That means I am an entrepreneur. Rigid. The next word is rigid. Rigid means very straight, like a rod. The iron rod was rigid, and you weren't supposed to go away from the iron rod. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.